We're going to meet the examiner, young man. Now I need you to be as cool as a cucumber. Have you got that?
Oh my god, I'm shitting
You what?
bricks.
Are you?
Yeah.
Right, get yourself ready, young man. Are you feeling confident?
I'm nervous, I'm shitting bricks.
No, don't get nervous. You don't pass when you get nervous. If you stay calm, read the road, you'll be fine. This is Paul. He's got his driving test today, first attempt. Tell him how you're feeling, young man.
I'm nervous, really nervous. Hopefully it goes well.
He should be able, if he keeps his brain working, he should be able to pass easy. But I wouldn't trust the learn as far as I could chuck him on test here. Yeah? Because these lot do crazy stuff. Tell him what you study.
I studied psychology, criminology and history in A-level.
Really smart young man. Go on then, show them how good you are. That's a bit digested.
Yeah, it is.
Now when you get in the car with the examiner, put your license in the keys in the cup holder. Have you got that?
Right.
And then start the car. Where do you want to drop it off at? Home? You're going on the curb. Look, you're going on the curb. Don't look at the van.
Right.
Just look at the road. Look at the space. Take the next right.
Yeah.
The middle one first. What did your dad say to you? Did he give you any tips? Any advice?
No, just doing my best.
Now don't you be looking because I'm looking, yeah? You should be looking all around instinctively. I think I'm preempting the signal. Lovely accuracy, young man. I couldn't have done better myself. Yeah? Excellent technique. Well done, sir. Well done. Right, straight ahead, third exit. I like the mirrors earlier. That's all good stuff, young man. You took a minor fall on that last roundabout, but you didn't.
Sorry, which
Get another check. Straight ahead, third exit. Let's check the door for be on the safe side. That time was where did the car go? That's straight to the left, isn't it? Is there anything you want to do again before we go to the test centre?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
None of them nervous? None of them go to the emergency stop or?
No, it should be alright.
Sure?
I think I've done everything alright.
All the manoeuvres are good, yeah.
Yeah.
If you mess anything up, just fix them. You got that? On it.
Oh, just starting it.
That's where you're going to reverse in, yeah?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I'm not doing it here.
Now you're going to... Paul's going to show you how to reverse in between two cars like a pro. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So go and reverse in between them two learners. Right, go and reverse in between them two cars. Get next to the base though. You've got to get really close to the base, yeah? Good observation, young man. Good observations. Like an owl. Like an owl. It's looking good, young man, looking good. Bit close, but I think you'll be able to get out there, won't you?
Yeah, I will.
I'll tell you what, Misty, if you turn your car off. Well, we're at the test centre. He's drove quite well. Has there been any serious faults?
One.
What was that?
For not checking my blind spot when going.
Yeah, sometimes I've seen a mine but the examiner went down the throats at the end of it, and could be a serious thing. Anything else?
No.
What about turning right into the garage?
Oh yeah.
Turn right from the left. If his brain's working, he's good enough to pass easy with about 3 drive balls. If he's not working, then it was probably an easy feel, isn't it?
Yeah.
But
definitely.
he has passed mock driving tests, haven't you?
Yeah, I have.
He's been very easy to teach. When I first met him, he was as smooth as butter. But the last couple lessons have gone a bit
Shake. It's scruffy.
Scruffy driving. He's one of these learners that pulls off on the clutches, which is crap technique. So what's your prediction, young man?
If I'm not nervous, that nervous, then I'm passing.
How many faults?
4.
4. I'm going to go for my normal 3. But it wouldn't surprise if he focuses, he might come a little bit less than that, yeah? Right. We're back off the test. Tell him what you've done, young man.
I've passed the test with 2 minor faults.
Tell them what they were for.
One was because, I don't know like the exact name, but it was because I was on the roundabout. I should have took like the right lane, but I kind of hesitated and stayed in the middle.
Straddled the 2 lanes.
Yeah.
And then what was the other one? So it went down to road markings. And what was the other one?
I don't know the other one. I forgot.
He could have stopped for a pedestrian when it was safe to do so. But he didn't get so. Went down as awareness and planning. Tell him what the examiner was like.
Oh, she was lovely.
Was she?
Yeah, she was lovely. She was a brilliant examiner. She was shy.
Was she?
She was shy, but it was good though, because like, I don't know, it took the nerves off for a bit.
Did it?
Yeah.
Was it nerve-wracking when she sat beside you?
Oh shit, yeah, it was awful.
Oh, well done, young man, well done.